Commentator? Commentors. Yeah, maybe commentors. Anyway, where are you from? You're one of the commentors. Kindly follow and share, please. Scarface, where are you? I'm talking to you, Habibi. Listen to me. You're long time my followers, right? Abu Dhabi. No, I mean, where are you from? Which country? I know you're here in UAE. Which country? You long time ago, you are long time you're my follower, right? You Pakistan. Mashallah. Yeah, watching you always. What is your work there? This few hours I was feeling sad. I don't know why. GM? What's GM? Good morning, good evening. What's GM? I was feeling sad, you know. Ahmad, hi Toski. Ano ba Toski? I feel sad because my friend irritating me. Tosha. Richard Manuel. Filter lang yan. Hindi naman, sakto lang. Ahmad, bye Ahmad. No, maybe because I saw my old friends and we are together last night. I accompanying her last night, and maybe I would just feel her. Miss her, I mean. Then I feel miss everything. My working place, everything. We are separated. It's like I feel alone again. You know the feeling that you are mixing with a lot of people. You are staying in accommodation, then suddenly it happens that mabuti. Suddenly happening unexpected that you need to separate to them already, that you need to leave them already. Then when you are already you already left them. You are in a peaceful place. Hamudi music. Yeah, I was here in a peaceful place. I already forgot them. Then you suddenly saw her again. It's like come back, splashing. Splash the what happened. Then I feel sad. Oh my God.